dear students, welcome to our English class. As you know, in the previous week we have done letter D, E and F. Now we are going to do G, H and I. What comes after letter F? It comes letter G, and G says G, G. G says G, and G for girl, G, G, girl. And what else starts with the letter G? G for grass, G, G, grass. And after G what comes? Letter H. After G it comes letter H, and H says H says that is the capital H and that is the small h. And which object starts with the letter H? Let's see over here on the board. H for hand, hand. And H for house, house. Now what comes after letter H? After H it comes letter I. I says E. I says E. That is the capital I and that is the small I. And the sound of letter I is E. I for igloo. I for igloo. The sound of I is E. Igloo. Igloo. And I for insect. Insect. Okay. So that was the vocabulary for each and every alphabet. Now we are going to write them one by one. First we are going to write the capital G and small g. So let's start with the capital G. I am using the blue marker for capital G. As you all know, all the capital letters are sky letters. So start little below from the top line and touch the top line, do a big curve, go down, go around, and then go up and touch a second line, and then make a short straight line and come back to the third line. That is the capital G. That is the capital G. Now let's do the small g. Achha. Now look over here. This is a small g, and can you tell me the small g is a which kind of letter? Is it a sky letter, root letter or grass letter? Yes, that is a root letter. So for root letter I am using the red marker. How you are going to write it? Make a start from the second line, do a little curve, go down, touch a third line, go up again, then come down, go around and touch the fourth line. That is the G, the small g. Okay, that is a small g. How we did it? You are going to make a little curve, then again start from the second line and do a straight line down and curve it at the bottom like this. So that is a small g. Now let's write the capital H. How we are going to write the capital H? The capital H is so easy, and as you all know, all the capital letters are sky letters. Start from the first line, do a straight line down and touch a third line. One line, and then take a little distance from the first line and start another line from the top line, go down and touch a third line. Now put your pencil in the center on the second line, in the center of the first line. You can see that is on the second line. Okay, then do a short line across and touch the second and a second line that is straight. We have two straight lines and we have joined them together with a short line across from one line to another. That is capital H. Now let's do the small h. Small h is also written in the first three lines, so that is also a sky letter. Sky letter will be written with the blue color. Start from the first line, do a straight line down like this, then go up to the second line and do a short line across and then curve it down and touch the third line. That is small h. that is small h. Now let's do the capital I. Capital I. How you are going to do the capital I? Start from the first line, do a straight line down. This is the capital I. Now let's do the small I. Small I is written in the will be written in the middle two lines, so that is a grass letter. As you all know, whichever letter is written in this middle two lines, that will be called grass letter. So the small I is grass letter. It will be started from the second line, do a straight line down and touch the third line, and then do a little dot on the top. That is the small I. That is the small I. So we have done G, H and I. These are letters for today. Now open your textbooks and do the vocabulary for these letters in your textbook side from the first term book. Thank you.